The HiCAD solution for pipeline construction, isometric and pipe spool drawings for all pipelines. The automatic workshop drawing for all pipelines is created at the push of a button. The pipeline constructor manufactures according to isometric specifications. From the large number of configuration options, the automatic pipe shortening and dimensioning are highlighted. The isometric data, such as projection and drawing frames, are stored in the pipeline. If a change is made to the 3D pipe, the straight pipes are filled up accordingly. In this example, the straight pipe is replaced by a T-piece, which is inserted into the pipe. The isometry signals any change to the 3D pipe, requiring a regeneration. In the 3D layout plan, all pipelines that have already been isometricized are known. Insulation and downgrade symbols for the pipe are displayed. The weld seam list is a typical example for the required safety proof and can be edited directly. If plant units are prefabricated, the production drawing in the form of a pipe plan can be output conveniently and automatically. As with the workshop drawing and steel engineering, any desired configuration is possible here.